Assalamu alaikum students. Today's topic is diagrammic presentation of data. There are various kinds of diagrams in common use. Amongst them, the important ones are the following. First is geometric diagram, for example, bar and pie chart diagrams. Second is frequency diagram. For example, histogram, frequency polygon, frequency curve, and argue. Third is arithmetic line graph. Now we will see uses of diagrams and graphs. Diagrammic presentation of data provides the quickest understanding of the actual situation to be explained by data in comparison to tabular or textual presentation. It translates quite effectively the highly abstract ideas obtained in numbers into more concrete and easily comprehensible form. Diagrams and graphs are extremely useful due to the following reasons. First use of diagrams and graphs are information presented through diagrams and graphs can be understood easily just in a bird's eye view. Second is diagrams and graphs produce a greater lasting impression on the mind of the readers. Third is they facilitate ready comparison of data over time and space. But diagrams and graphs have limitations also. Graphic and diagram presentation have limitations. First is unlike a table or diagram or a graph, unlike a table, a diagram or a graph does not show the exact value of a variable. Second is a limited set of facts can be presented through such devices like diagram and graph. This is all about diagrammic presentation, uses and its limitations. Thank you.